We're seeing excellent yield here. Maintain current velocity.
See how the sensors identify the blemishes here. The air jets are calibrated for precise removal.
Impressive efficiency.
Rinsing and starch control. This step controls crispness, color consistency, oil absorption. Water chemistry is monitored and recycled continuously.
Seasoning drums. Flavor systems precisely dose salt, spices, and signature Lay's seasonings. Our inventory systems track every unit worldwide, ensuring Lay's chips move across continents within days.